Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to permanently delete your Line account directly from your phone. If you want to remove your account completely and make sure all your data is erased, first, open the Line app on your phone and go to your account settings. Next, scroll down until you find the option to delete your account. Then, click on Delete Account and tap Next to proceed. You will see several checkboxes. Make sure to check that you agree all your data will be deleted, that you understand you will lose access to your Line account, and that all your items will be removed. After checking all the required boxes, click on Delete Account, and then confirm by clicking Delete again. Finally, your account will be permanently removed from Line, and all your personal data will be erased. Make sure you have saved anything important before doing this, because this action cannot be undone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.